In inductive reasoning, we go from the specific to the general. In deductive reasoning, we take general concepts and we apply them to specific cases. We're going to use both of those procedures here in this example. So we want to use inductive reasoning to make a conjecture about a rule that relates to the number that you selected to the final answer. And then we'll see how that relates to deductive reasoning. So we're going to select a number, double it, add 10, divide by 2, subtract the original number, and see what we get. If you want to pick a number in your own mind to kind of work along with me, that would be great. So I could go through any number of examples here, but let's say we start with the number 4. So if I start with 4, then when I double it, it becomes 8. 8 plus 10 is 18. 18 divided by 2 gives me 9. And then if I subtract the original number of 4, 9 minus 4 gets me to 5. Okay, so I started out with the number 4 and I ended with the number 5. So I may be thinking, okay, does the new number at the end up being one more than the one I started with? Let's see. We're going to need another example to look at. Let's try the number 11. If I double it, I get 22. Add 10, then I get 32. Divide that by 2, and I'm to 16. And then if I subtract the original number, which was 11, 16 minus 11 gives me 5 again. So now I've chosen two different numbers, and I've gotten the same result both times. I'm beginning to think there might be a general rule here that could be applied. Let's try this one more time, and let's shake things up a little bit by using a negative number. Because this is kind of, it just says select a number at the beginning. So let's imagine we choose -3. If I double it, then I get -6. If I add 10, -6 plus 10 is +4. If I divide that 4 by 2, I get 2. And then if I subtract the original number that I started with, 2 minus -3 gets me back to +5 again. Okay, now those aren't all the possible examples I could go through in the world here, but I'm beginning to see a general conclusion here. If I select the number x, whatever x may be, the result is still going to be 5 at the end.